What's up, Clean Shave Club? This is Andy Camp. I'm one half of the Clean Shave Company, and I'm going to show you how to shave with new Razor Rinser 2.0. Step 1, take it out of the sweet travel case and fill it up under the sink, preferably with warm water. And as you're filling it, just give it a couple puffs until the jets start shooting like that. Then you're ready to shave. You want to make sure you fill to above the level of the stainless filters. Then you can drop in an optional shave balm that just turns your tap water into a silky, smooth shaving mixture that kind of keeps the blade gliding smoothly across your face, your whole shave. You just give it a second to dissolve. Get my razor wet and ready to go. Then I can just start shaving. Using the Razor Rinser's really easy. Just every couple shaving strokes, give it a couple pumps on your Razor Rinser, and just keep shaving. It's as easy as that. So, if you have thicker stubble, a full beard, you're going to want to pump more frequently. But if you have thinner hair like me, it's light, doesn't clog the razor that much, you can just pump less frequently. Okay. Now let's pretend I'm done shaving. I just give my razor a couple swipes on the new strap. That dries and hones the blade at the same time, so it stays sharper longer. And then I can just dump the Razor Rinser into the toilet. Come back, give it a rinse at the sink, dump it out, remove the new drain plug to get the last bit of water out of the basin so it's easier to dry out. And then you can also pop the filters in and out if you want to clean them more thoroughly. But that's pretty much it. It's the new Razor Rinser 2.0, trying to make shaving easier, cleaner, and less wasteful for everyone. Thanks. Bye.